I'm Neely, and I'm going to show you how to search for and install themes on your WordPress site. Choosing the right theme is important because it not only affects the way your site looks, it also affects the functionality available to you. An e-commerce theme will differ largely from a blogging theme or a restaurant theme, so take the time to find the right match. Themes can be accessed from your WordPress admin dashboard under Appearance, then Themes. In this screen, the active theme currently being used on your site is listed first. Next to it are other themes that are installed and ready to use. You can view the theme details to review more information about that theme. Customize is how you edit the overall look and feel of your site. The live preview button lets you see what your site looks like with the new theme applied, without making the change. Not all themes have the preview option. If you like what you see, click Activate and Publish. For now, let's go back and look at some new themes. From here, click Add New. The Add Themes page is linked to the WordPress.org repository. You can search through the popular or latest themes here. Once you find a theme that you like, use the Details and Preview button to check it out. You can see how others have rated the theme, as well as get a preview of the look and feel here. Once you know what theme you want, all you have to do is click Install. Again, this doesn't change your current site, but installs the theme to your dashboard. You have to click Activate to make it live. For all of GoDaddy's managed WordPress users, we have some templates that we have created with our Go theme that are more robust than general themes. If you use the wizard during your managed WordPress installation, you may already have one of these installed. You will find them under the GoDaddy Recommended tab. The GoDaddy themes have 8 pre-built customizable pages if you use the wizard. Easy drag and drop page building and easy access to thousands of WordPress plugins, which make creating your WordPress website super easy. If you like what you see, you can go back to the Add Theme page and choose Install. Now activate it. If you don't find a theme that you like from the WordPress repository, don't give up. There are many private developers who have created premium themes that you can purchase and download. When you purchase a premium theme, you will download the files to your computer. Let me show you how you would install one of these downloaded themes. So we have to go back to the WordPress admin dashboard, so let's click out of the customizer. Now let's go to Appearances, Themes, and Add New. From here, we can choose Upload Theme. It's as easy as browsing your computer for the zip file you saved and installing it. Pro tip though, if you're having trouble installing the zip file, you might need to open it to see if there is another zip file inside that contains the theme and extract it. We already picked a theme we like, so I'm going to go back to my themes in the dashboard. Once a theme has been installed, it will show on your themes list where you can preview or activate it when you are ready. If you find a theme, don't be afraid to install and activate it. You can always repeat the steps to change it again or go back to your old theme.